Welcome to this tutorial on adding leads manually in your system. Efficient lead management is key to growing your business, and today, we'll walk you through the process step by step. To start, navigate to the side panel and click on Lead Manager. This is where all your leads are stored and managed. If you haven't created any leads yet, the system will prompt you to do so. Simply click on the Create Lead button, and in this select Add Lead to proceed. You will now see a form where you can input all necessary details about your lead. Be sure to fill out each field accurately to ensure organized lead management. If you'd like to include a photo of the lead, simply click on the Upload option and select an image from your device. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click Create Lead. The lead will now be saved in the Lead Master Grid table for easy access and management. And that's it. You've successfully added a new lead manually. Keep your lead database updated to streamline your client interactions. Thank you for watching, and happy lead managing.